Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to tell you all about our stay at the new hotel here in Las Vegas, Fountainebleau, that it only took 20 plus years to make. But that's a story for another day. Now let's talk about the location. The Fountainebleau is perfectly located at the north side of the strip, and it's the perfect location to stay at if you want to be near hotels like Circus Circus, Treasure Island, Sahara, or the Venetian. But if you want to be near the south side of the strip, we recommend taking a cab or rent a car. Now let's go inside and check out this new hotel here in Las Vegas. As soon as you walk in, you can see that they're trying to make this an elegant stay. And the first thing you'll see when you walk in through this side is this pretty cool art sculpture that is mimicking tides from other coasts in the world. The sculpture is pretty neat. You used to be able to get really close to it, but thanks to some lady who planted her face in it, now it has been blocked off.
Thanks, lady. Dope! But it's still pretty cool to see even if it's not from that close. If you want to find out more about what the sculpture represents, there's a little sign that tells you all about it right next to the sculpture. Now let's check out the casino, which looks pretty high-end. And it has a great variety of slots. And one thing that makes this casino look really nice is that it has really high ceilings. And it just makes the casino look really big, with lots of choices for you if you like gambling. Here you will also find a really nice sports bar inside the Fountainebleau with really huge TVs. Alright guys, time to check in so we can keep exploring the rest of the hotel. And if you're new here, don't forget that we are Dos Bros family who travel in California and around the world. And if this video is of any help to you, don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends so YouTube can recommend it to other travelers. The hotel has some pretty interesting art pieces around, like this gold and silver sculpture, and this other one that I don't know what to think about it. How about you guys? But if this gets me early in the morning, it just will get me hungry. And thinking about some good scrambled eggs with coffee.
Second floor, you have the Blue Live Theater, where you can see concerts from the newest talents all over the world. Here on the second floor, you will also find something that looks like a food court, with a variety of options for you to have a meal or just come get a drink. They also have a great selection of cafes and pastries. And also on this floor, for us ladies, they have a small shopping area, or something that looks like a mini mall with lots of great selections.
And now let's tell you about parking, because a lot of people always in our videos always ask us about this for some reason. There are plenty of spaces and it's complimentary for the guests. There is valet parking available, but there's a charge of $40 per night. Also, if you just come here just to, look around, or you're going to other hotels, the good thing is that 4 hours is free for anyone that visits the Fountainebleau. And now let's go check out the room, guys. To go into the room area, you will need to show your key for the room, but not to go into the elevators, as you can see. And check this out, guys, the elevators look pretty fancy too. After that, all you need your key for is to get into your room. And because the hotel is new, the inside area where the rooms are looks pretty clean and nice. Also pretty bright.
It is pretty bright, guys. Come with us and check out the view from the room. Even though we were not that high, it was still a nice view from the strip.
The rooms were great. Unfortunately, we couldn't get into the suites, but the regular rooms are pretty cool too, with a nice TV and a perfect view, like as you can see. We apologize about the sheetings and the bed because we got here last night and we didn't have time to show you the room until this morning. The room is very spacious and it does have a mini bar that you can use, but like always, it's pretty expensive if you get something from here. But if you really need to, there's always something here for you, like a drink or snacks. The room was set up to be very relaxing, and it was just great to wake up in the morning and just open these blinds, see this beautiful view of Las Vegas, and just drink a cup of coffee.
Life is beautiful comes here with those bros.
By the way, the curtains in this room open electronically. Just press the button and they will open up for you and close. It was pretty cool. And it also has a closet where you can find an ironing board, your bathrobe, with some hangers and a place to put your luggage. The light also turns in as soon as you open the doors. And you also have a safety box here for your belongings. Now the bathroom was also perfect to relax. It had a shower and separate it has a tub. It had everything you need for your perfect stay. It's a really nice bathroom to just come and relax after a nice day in Las Vegas. Check it out. Because it can also be great for a romantic getaway. Alright, let's check out the pool, guys. This was my favorite part of this hotel. The pool opened just a few weeks ago because it was closed during winter. But check it out, it's really nice and the view is also great. And it has lots of areas like these cabanas where your family can just come and spend a great time here at the pool. One thing that was really cool about this pool is that it also has an outside casino near the pool. So if the night didn't go as planned at the casino, you can still have more time over here. The pool also has some nice bars around where you can just come and get your drink on while the kids are on the pool. We got lucky because during April, you don't know if you're gonna get a sunny day or a gloomy day, because yesterday it was raining, but today we got lucky and we got a sunny day to get some ice cold drinks while those bros and the Princess Mermaid were having some fun at the pool.
We had a lot of fun at the pool, especially since the pool was heated at this time of the year. It was really nice. They also have owls and hawks to keep animals away from the pool.
And you are allowed to get close enough to take videos and pictures. This guy was huge. And the guys taking care of them were very informative.
Bring bigger ones in a couple months. Well, he just hatched 3 out that are going to be bigger than this.
The pool has choices for everyone, and they had more secluded areas around the corners of the pool area where you can have a jacuzzi and some cabanas and just spend a great time here, relaxing, watching TV, watching your favorite game, or just getting your drink on also.
It was really cool because on the other side of the pool they had an area where you can play some games, like a giant chess and cornhole. That's such a great idea. And they also have a pool that looks like a kid's pool. And space is more family-like.
And if you are more into party, you can always attend the Live Beach Club, which is the pool party of the Fountainebleau. But it does have an extra charge, and check this out, guys. Males are $50 and females are $30. Come on, discrimination here, guys, discrimination.
That's right, ladies, only $30 for us to attend this cool pool party.
Alright guys, let us know in the comments if you have been here and how the experience was for you. To us, this is a nice fancy hotel to stay at. It might have some areas where it might look too secluded and not inviting, just FYI. Maybe make those areas more open and inviting in Fountainebleau. Other than that, the hotel was great. And don't forget to check out these other 2 videos on great things to do in Las Vegas. Like the next place where we're going, the Adventure Theme Park and Circus, where we will find out if it's worth it.
Alright guys, hope you guys enjoy this video.
Those bros, we out.
Bye bye, brothers. See you next video.